Dive into the heart of Polynesian paradise at the Brando, where the pulse of island life beats with a rhythm of its own. From the depths of the lagoon to the dance of the firelight, every moment is an invitation to explore. Embrace the spirit of adventure with snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, or become a biologist of the day with a naturalist guide. For the culturally curious, immerse yourself in Polynesian arts through dance, music, and handicraft lessons. And when the stars come out, join an evening of storytelling on the beach. Savor the flavors of Tahiti with cuisine demonstrations, or set sail on a photo safari with a professional photographer. As the waves whisper secrets of the deep, witness the majestic dance of whales on a guided watching tour. At the Brando, every experience is a brushstroke on the canvas of memories. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.